How many finals are there in pinyin? A, O, E, I, U, R. 7, right? Wrong! There are 21 finals in pinyin. A, O, E, I, U, R. They are simple finals. And also there are 13 compound finals and 16 nasal finals. So the simple final is a basic one. Alright, that's today's class. Bye! Just kidding! Welcome to In Chinese and Fasten the Belts. I'm Xinyu. Today we're gonna learn the 7 simple finals. If you're interested in learning Chinese, subscribe my channel and give me a thumb up. Then you will never miss any of my lessons. In today's video, I've got 2 parts for you. First, we will learn the 7 simple finals. And second, it's a practice time. In the end of this video, I have a gift for you, which is a free PDF of today's lesson I compiled. And we're starting right now. Simple finals is the most basic finals. They are called so because each of finals is made of a single vowel. Let's read them together. A, O, E, U, U, Based on the shape of the mouth, we can divide them into the round type and unround type. Round type, unround type, round type, unround type. A, E, unround. O, U, U, round. Let's check them one by one. The first final, it's a non-round final. Open your mouth widely with your tongue in the middle and put your tongue flat and low. You will feel the flowing of air out of your mouth naturally. So read after me. Very good. It's kind of like when you're going to see a dentist. The dentist will say, open your mouth, let me check your teeth. The second final is O. It's a rounded sound. When you pronounce this sound, you should contract your tongue to the back direction as well as raise your tongue to the half-height position. It's close to the sound of law in English. Read after me. O. Very good. The third one is Before we pronounce we need to pronounce O first. Round your lips, put your tongue back, and raise it to half height. Okay, great. Keep the tongue position, but change the shape of lips from a very perfect circle into a very flat oval. Okay, let's do it together. Okay, let's pronounce it directly. When you pronounce it, you will show very standard smile. The fourth one is E. The sound is like how you pronounce You just need to stretch the corners of your mouth into two sides and put your tongue tip against the back of the front teeth. So read after me. E. Very good. When you pronounce this sound, it's like a smile of I'm so happy. I'm so happy. E. I got paid. E. I received a message from my idol. E. The fifth one is ooh. Ooh. It sounds like ooh when we pronounce good in English. But your lips should be a small circle. Lower your tongue position, but don't touch your teeth. So read after me. Ooh. Small circle. Ooh. What does a wolf sound like? Ooh, ooh, ooh. And we have the sixth one. Yu. Yu. There's no similar pronunciation in English, but you can grasp it very easily. First, before we pronounce yu, we try e first. Stretch the corners of the mouth towards two sides. Put your tongue tip against the back of the lower front teeth. So let's do E. Great. Now keep the tongue position and change the mouth shape from the wide to round. So let's try it. E. E. Let's try it directly. Yu. Yu. Excellent. Chinese girls always want to look cutier when we take selfie. At this time, we will use yu to pose a duck face.
Selfie.
Yu.
Selfie.
Yu.
Selfie.
Yu. E. Right, we have the last one. Although it has two letters, it only has one sound. It's a non-round and a tongue-rolling final. We have to use to help us pronounce this final. First, let's pronounce the smiling final. And then hold the shape of the mouth and roll up the tongue. Put your tongue into the middle of the mouth, but don't touch any parts. Let's try it. You will feel a movement of your tongue. Let's do it directly. That's the 7 simple finals. Let's do a quick review. Read after me. A. O. E. U. Yu. Alright, it's aka Xinyu from CDC. Showtime! Open your mouth and check your teeth. Perfect circle is O. Standard smile is I'm happy E. I'm happy E. Change E into U. Dog face is U. Wolf sound U. Wolf sound U. Smiling face with curling tongue. Pronounce practice time. Please listen to me carefully and write down the simple finals you hear. 一 Number 2, choose the simple finals you hear. 呜 呜 ü ü 儿 Please leave the answer in the comment section and I will reply them one by one. Alright, that's it for today. Today we learned 7 simple finals and there is a gift for you. I compiled today's video into a free PDF. You can get it in the comment area. If you like learning Chinese, subscribe my channel and give me a thumb up. In the next lesson, we are going to learn 8 initials. 波 坡 摸 佛 的 特 呢 了 I'm Xinyu. See you next week. 么么哒 Yahoo!